Our broilers are 16 days old today. So in this farm diary session, I'm going to be sharing with you the activities we do over here in our farm on the 16th day of rearing our broilers. Probably you might learn one or two things you can apply in your farm, and the video is starting right now. I want to give a special shout out to Francis Frank for asking a very vital question. You know, in the previous day 15, we vaccinated our bears Lasota against Newcastle disease. So he asked a question. He asked, what about milk? Now, using milk to dilute your vaccine is an old and valid practice. It's still valid. You know, this milk is used to help deactivate some of the minerals and ions contained in the water that might cause vaccine failure. So we do encourage farmers to do routine lab tests on the water quality of their borehole. For us over here, we, at least for the past 12 months, we've done it twice, and we did it, the last time was 4 weeks from today. That was like 1 week before these broilers came in. So, and some of the vaccines also contain stabilizers, like vaccine from Agrited. They have Gumboro vaccine, they have Lasota vaccine. Their vaccines contain stabilizers that even if you have chlorine in your, or some of these minerals in your borehole, in your water, the stabilizers help to stabilize them, preventing them from deactivating the water. So Francis Frank, I really want to appreciate you for asking this question because it's very vital. Using milk for your vaccine dilution is still valid, especially when you don't know the quality of your water or you suspect that the elements, ions and minerals in your borehole is way too high. It's advised to use milk at that point. The first thing we do upon entering into the brooding house on the 16th day is to check the room temperature. The temperature is still meant to be between 26 to 28 degrees C. Now this temperature somehow is getting towards the room temperature, normal room temperature, and you know these birds are generating heat themselves. So for that reason, we are gradually not paying too much attention now on the temperature because they are now getting to a stage where the temperature is room temperature and they can control it. So after that, the next thing we do is to discard the previous day's water. You know, after the vaccination on the 15th day, immediately with the vaccine exhausted, we place them on water throughout the day. Now we are discharging the water because we want to put medication. So the medication we put to replace it is multivitamin. You know, multivitamin comes a day before vaccination and a day after vaccination. After that, the next thing we did was to clean the nipples, the cup of the nipples, and then give the birds feed to eat. As our custom is, every 2 hours someone comes in to check on the birds and then do few adjustments like adding feed and also checking on the birds generally. That's basically what we did here on the 16th day. What do you do in your farm on the 16th day in the raising of your broilers? Feel free to share with us in the comment section. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section as well. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel and see you tomorrow on day 17.